Welcome to our first video, which is how to freeze a line. So when you are in Google Sheets and you go to scroll down because you have so much data, watch what happens to your titles at the top. They disappear. Therefore, especially if you don't have the titles and you have a ton of data, you don't know what is what. So what we want to do is today highlight the top two rows, and you are going to do what's called a freeze. You're going to go up to the ribbon, make sure that those titles are highlighted. You're going to go up to the ribbon and click View, Freeze, and clearly it's going to be the top two rows. Top two. This allows you to scroll down without your titles disappearing. Delightful. Give it a try.